I was not a graduated. It doesn't work like that कि आप बड़े कॉलेज से आते हो तो आप बड़ी ही कंपनी में जाओगे, और आप छोटे कॉलेज से आ रहे हो तो आप छोटी कंपनी में जाओगे. ये एक बहुत बड़ी myth है. That's a complete myth. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who knows me and for those who do not know me, hi, I am Nikita. I create content on my channel related to career, fashion, lifestyle, beauty and lot more. So this video is going to be a Q&A video because I was receiving so many DMs regarding my job, career and all of that. I'll be answering all of those questions here in this video. Please be with me till the end. So I'll be picking up random questions from my Instagram and I'll be answering them. There are so many questions. Hi, I came across your profile and saw you're working as software test engineer at Amazon. I am also in same role and I would love to know a bit about how you prepared and what helped you land the role. If you are open to sharing, thanks in advance. I have already shared a video, like full-fledged video on this. So there are so many questions. You guys were asking about my college where I have graduated. What I did was that after starting my job in 2021, I took a 1 year of gap, and then in 2022, I have enrolled myself for BTech. I have done it from, there's a college in Roorkee. So I have done it from there. This is kind of evening BTech. So you do not need to take class for it. You just have to study on your own, and then you will just go for to give an exams. So yeah, it worked like that. Like there are so many questions when people got to know that I am working in Amazon. So what they asked is first question from all of you guys that you must be from graphic era or you must be from UPS. Bro, no. I was not there in the big colleges. Firstly, I have completed my diploma, and then after that I have completed my BTech along with my job. Yeah, I was simultaneously working, and then I completed, like I've recently completed my BTech in 2025. And the moment I have received a call from an Amazon recruiter, I was not a graduated. So for those who are wondering about that, हमें तो बड़े कॉलेज से ही होना है Amazon, Microsoft, Google जैसे कंपनी में जाने के लिए. Bro, no, that's a complete myth. It doesn't work like that कि आप बड़े कॉलेज से आते हो तो आप बड़ी ही कंपनी में जाओगे, और आप छोटे कॉलेज से आ रहे हो तो आप छोटी कंपनी में जाओगे. ये एक बहुत बड़ी myth है. We all need to rectify this. It doesn't work like that. It's just that आप किसी भी कॉलेज से आ रहे हो, it does not matter at all. It doesn't work like that. You should have right skills, strong skills in the relevant field, and you are good to go to crack any big tech company. And trust me, that's real. So there's a question. Hi, can you refer me? I'm a French trainer. I can refer you. That's very simple. Nothing to worried about. Please, whoever want me to give you a referral, I am requesting you that please do share CV along with the relevant job ID जिसके लिए आपको लगता है मुझे आपको रेफर करना चाहिए. तो आप प्लीज़ मुझे जॉब आईडी शेयर कर दीजिए, और वो बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है. आपको अमेजोन के पोर्टल पे जाना है एंड वहाँ पे एक जॉब वाला सेक्शन आता है. जॉब वाले सेक्शन में आप जाओगे तो आपकी प्रोफाइल के अकॉर्डिंग लिंक्डइन पे आपको रेलिवेंट जॉब्स पोस्ट आपको शो हो जाएंगी. और अगर नहीं भी हो रही है तो आप सर्च बार में टाइप कर सकते हो. नॉर्मली लेट्स सपोज इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोल्स, सो यू कैन सिंपली टाइप सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर roles and you will be landing up on the page where all the job posts are present there. You can simply apply on it, or you can simply just open it and see the job ID, and then you can simply share it with me. I will give you a referral for sure. Next question is, hi, I have been watching you from so long. I love your content. And I just wanted to ask how you manage content creation along with your full-time job. That's a really nice question because right now I'm not able to manage it at all. There were like time when I was like कि मेरे को एकदम full-fledged content एकदम manage करना है, but trust me, it's not that easy. I'm doing it जितना मैं कर पा रही हूँ on my best. Like I'm giving my best, to be very honest. There is so much workload on my head in my office. I'm surviving on my own in a different city away from my house. So that's also a big task कि आप जब सब कुछ खुद manage करते हो, managing everything on your own. So that becomes a bit difficult when you create content as well along with your full-time job. There are multiple challenges that I'm facing, but by God grace, I am happy to do that. I'm really happy that I have that workload, work pressure. Cut to the point, I am trying to do my best to manage the content creation as well. There are so many brands, collaboration coming, but I am saying no to everybody because I just can't take so many products and then do nothing with them. It doesn't make any sense कि मैं products ले लूँ brand से और फिर मैं वीडियो बना नहीं पा रही, तो कोई सेंस नहीं उस बात का. मैं उतने ही products ले रही हूँ, अभी उतने ही collaboration ले रही हूँ जितना मुझे पता है कि I am capable of, मैं बना सकती हूँ वीडियो. Like I have right now 4 products from the brand, so I know that मैं 2 हफ्ते में टाइम निकाल के if I'll be doing this in late night or like कभी भी मैं करूँ तो मुझे पता है कि मैं 4 प्रोडक्ट्स मैनेज कर सकती हूँ. बट बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स और कोलैबोरेशन मेरे पास आ रहे हैं. आई एम रियली नॉट एबल टू डू. इवन आई एम हैप्पी फ्रॉम इनसाइड दैट मुझे अब इतने सारे कोलैबोरेशंस के डीएम्स रीच आउट कर रहे हैं ब्रांड्स. अ लिटिल वर्जन ऑफ मी always dreamed of this moment, and I'm really happy for that, touch wood. But yeah, it's difficult sometimes to manage, but I'm happy that I am capable of. Let's jump into the next question. Question is, hi, good morning, can you please tell me which skills need to enter in Amazon as in test engineer? I'm also QA engineer. So see, if you are already in testing field, it's not that difficult. It is just that you have to be aware for market trend. Like let's suppose there's a trend of playwright, selenium, should have an automation skill. That's something really important nowadays in testing field. So what you can do, if you are a manual tester, just start building your manual testing fundamentals very strongly. It should be very strong. Fundamental should be very strong, that's very clear. And along with the manual testing experience, you should have automation skills as well. You can learn API testing tools, you can learn web automation tools, you can learn device automation tool like APM to land into a company, a big tech company, because they used to ask these kind of automation tools. You should have those skills. So yeah, there is nothing to do big on that level. You just need to enhance and just polish your skills, whatever you have right now. If you are a QA, that's even easy for you. If you already into the testing field, you don't need to do so much about it. You just need to enhance and improve your skill. That's it. And just work on your CV, just make it in a very impressive and crisp and accurate way. You will be able to crack any company. Hi dear, I get through your profile. Amazon is my dream company. I just need guidance from you how to join the procedure and everything. See, there are different procedure for different job roles. I can guide you on higher level. There would be a recruiter call where you will be clearing screening round. Then there will be a OA round जो आपको OA टेस्ट देना होता है. अगर आप वो क्लियर करते हो तो उसके बाद आपके टेक्निकल राउंड्स होते हैं. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू और इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द रिक्वायरमेंट्स कि आपके 1 राउंड होंगे टेक्निकल या 2 होंगे. कई बार 2 भी होते हैं, 3 भी होते हैं. लास्ट राउंड आपका होता है मैनेजरल राउंड, जिसमें आपको आपके जो टीम मैनेजर होते हैं उनके साथ डिस्कशन होता है. टेक भी होता है, देन नॉन टेक भी होता है. वर्क्स लाइक दैट. अगेन when it comes to different roles, तो हर roles के लिए different procedure होता है, सबके लिए same नहीं होता. So the next question is that I have done DCA. Can I get into an Amazon? See, you have done graduation, right? So now you need to look into this thing, that where in which field you wanna go. If you wanna go in non-tech, what it would be. Non-tech भी कोई ऐसा नहीं है. Non-tech भी बहुत बड़ी फील्ड है, उसमें भी बहुत सारे रोल्स आते हैं. देन टेक भी बहुत बड़ी फील्ड है, उसमें भी बहुत सारे रोल्स आते हैं. तो आपको पहले अपने लेवल पे क्लियर होना है कि नॉन-टेक में आप किस रोल में जाना चाहते हो, एंड देन टेक में आप किस रोल में जाना चाहते हो. इफ यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम नॉन टेक, तो नॉन टेक में कहाँ से आप आ रहे हो. लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी फील्ड्स इन नॉन टेक एज वेल. और इफ यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम टेक बैकग्राउंड, सो यू नो दैट what all fields are there in tech field, so you can choose according to your education background. So it depends on you totally. I cannot tell you that. Next question is that do they ask DSA question as well for testing roles? Yes. There are so many people who are not aware of this, that company do ask DSA questions as well for testing roles. Market is being changed now. You should have that DSA, like basic DSA skills to clear any tech role. That's something what I believe that it's there in the market. अब आपको टेस्टिंग रोल्स के लिए आप जा रहे हो, आप डेटा इंजीनियरिंग आप किसी भी रोल्स के लिए जा रहे हो, that comes into a tech role, you should have basic DSA skill. That is really important. Like आप basic topic clear कर सकते हो, string, array, list and linked list and hash, map, tree. आप basic चीज़ें कर सकते हो. उसके बाद अगर आप डेटा सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट के रोल्स के लिए जा रहे हो, तो उसके बाद आपको अलग लेवल क्लियर करना होता है डीएसए का. बट अगर आप टेस्टिंग रोल्स के लिए जा रहे हो, तो येस, यू शुड हैव बेसिक डीएसए स्किल्स. दैट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. I guess I'm done with this video. बहुत बड़ी वीडियो ऑलरेडी बन चुकी है. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.